introduce you to the Lebanese Bakery and Grill Special Mediterranean Pizza. Our special dough mix that we make on site. Flatten the dough. I'll prepare it. Spread it with some olive oil and dry oregano. You'll bring the baby spinach and spread some baby spinach on the dough. And add some diced tomatoes to it, so there's no tomato sauce or tomato paste. Doesn't cause any heartburn for people suffering from heartburn. In addition to that, we add onions and mushrooms. Spread out the mushrooms all over the pizza. We'll put a little bit of feta cheese to give it a distinguished taste. Add some covers with the shredded mozzarella cheese. We put a cheese right on top and we cover it with mozzarella. So we then put the mozzarella cheese on the pizza. We add our special mix of house spices on the top, a little sprinkle of it. And that's what makes it special from any other pizza, is our house spices that we add to it. So we put it in the oven at about 500 degrees for within 3 to 4 minutes. We get our special pizza that made here in our brick oven. We allow the pizza to cook in the oven away from the fire. After the dough is cooked and the cheese is melted, everything else is already cooked, and it comes out. This is our special pizza. Homemade brick oven pizza.